Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. So today's video is going to be a super easy, quick, simple makeup tutorial using just 5 products in under 5 minutes. Actually 5 minutes bhi nahi lagega. And all the products I'm going to be using are drugstore products. I like to do this kind of makeup especially when I'm in a hurry. I don't have a lot of time, which is majority of the time because I'm running late. So this is really easy, super quick और great for beginners as well. अगर आपको नहीं makeup का इतना knowledge है, so it's great for you guys as well. I'm not gonna blabber anymore. Let's get started with the video. Okay, let's get started. I've already done my skincare and my skin is nice and prepped. The first product I'll be using is a Lakme 925cc cream. I love that it's an inexpensive product but does the job really well. The only con I would say is does not have a lot of shade options. I'm in the shade Sand and it's a perfect match for me. This product definitely oxidizes, so even if it looks white at first, it will oxidize to your natural skin tone. And of course, I'll not be using any brush or sponge or anything. I'm just gonna use my hands because that's the quickest and that's exactly what I do when I'm in a hurry. I used to use this product all throughout my college, even at my workplace. So this is definitely an OG product in my vanity. This one has a light coverage and it almost gives like a blur effect, which I love. Let me know in the comments down below if you want me to try out all the BB and CC creams that are out there and give you guys a review. I would love to do that. This is such an easy to use, beginner friendly product, so I'd highly recommend. Next, I'm gonna fill in my brows. This is very important step for me. And for that, I'll be using Maybelline New York Tattoo Brow Pigment Pencil. I love this product because it does have the product on one end and spoolie on the other, so you don't have to carry anything else. As you can clearly see, my eyebrows are really light, so filling them in really makes a huge difference on my face. If you have really beautiful thick eyebrows and you do not need to fill them in, so I would suggest use a soap brow product that will laminate your eyebrows and they're not going to go anywhere. I like to do both the steps, but as this is a quick tutorial, I would skip that and do just the brow filling thing. Again, I'm not gonna go crazy, just following the natural shape of my eyebrows, and wherever I have bald spots, I'll make sure to fill them in. So by chance, agar eyebrows kabhi niche brush out ho gaya, it still won't look bad. And this eyebrow product is really good. I feel it's a fail-safe method. It's not super pigmented, so you can really go ham on it and it still won't look very bad. So yeah, highly recommend. Moving on to the third step, which is a brown kajal. Yes, you heard me right. I've been obsessing over this step. And for that, I'll be using Maybelline New York Tattoo Studio Smoky Eye Kohl. This is in the shade Smoky Brown. Super pigmented, glides like a butter and blends really well. I'm gonna apply this on my waterline. I like to go a little heavy on the outer corner than the inner corner. Now, using the same product, I'm gonna try to create a wing. You do not have to be super perfect. You're gonna blend it out any which ways. And then I'm gonna apply it on the top lid as well, closer to the lash line. And join the wing. As you can clearly see, it's not super neat. Next, I'm gonna use my finger and blend that in. I love that it gives a nice color, a nice smoky effect on your eyes, kind of elongates the eye. It just looks really good. You can clearly see the difference, right? I'm gonna repeat the same on the other eye as well. Eyes are done. Next, I'm gonna use the same product and line my lips as well. Yes, you heard me right. I do this all the time and it looks super good. I'm not gonna go super crazy, just slightly overlining the lips as you can see in the video and blend it a little with my fingers. I have a little bit of leftover product on my fingers, so I'm gonna use that to contour my face as well a little. Looking good. Now let's move on to the fourth step. Now over here, I was a little bit confused whether to go with a mascara or a liner. Now a liner, I do that all the freaking time. So I wanted to go with mascara. And over here, I'm using Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara. Hands down, the best mascara I've ever tried. Love the wand on it. Love how it accentuates, elongates, and makes it voluminous all at the same time. So yeah, absolutely beautiful mascara. Also, this is the liner that I like to use all the time. It's by Maybelline New York Line Tattoo High Impact Liner. Beautiful product. But today, I'll be using mascara. A really great trick with mascara that I've learned is to apply the majority of the product very close to the lash line. As you can see me doing in the video, I am not swiping it up. I'm just concentrating more towards the lash line. This method will give you false eyelash effect. And then I'm gonna just jiggle and cover all the lashes. Wow, look at that difference. Look at that before and after. It's crazy. And once the mascara does not have a lot of product, I'm gonna brush it slightly on my eyebrows as well to kind of laminate it basically. Moving on to the last step, which is a lipstick. I've been obsessing over lip glosses lately, so that's what I'll be wearing today. It's by Makeup Revolution Shimmer Bomb Lip Gloss in the shade Blaze. I wear this lip gloss all the freaking time and it's my absolute favorite. I like the applicator as well, it's nice and chunky. This is definitely a one swipe product. This with in combination with the brown lip liner, favorite combo of all time. Such a beautiful shade. Next, I'm gonna take a little bit of product from my lips and apply it on my cheeks as blush. I do this all the time, no matter what lipstick, lip balm, lip gloss I'm using. I apply the same thing on my cheeks if I'm running late. And because it has a little bit of shimmer in it, it kind of gave a highlighter effect as well. So I basically did a full face of makeup using just 5 products. And in under 5 minutes. Plus it's cute and beginner friendly, and all the products I've used is literally stuff that I use all the freaking time. So all the links will be in the description down below. And that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. And आपको ऐसे simple, easy, quick tutorials पसंद है कि नहीं? Let me know in the comments down below. With that said, all the product का links will be in the description down below. My Amazon storefront, वहाँ पर आपको सारे product एक साथ मिल जाएंगे. So definitely check out the links. With that said, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.